Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and it is much faster, and the second is using the settings, and obviously I will show you both options. So firstly, let's begin with the secret code. So let's open the dialer and choose the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, the IMEI info just pops out. So here we've got two different IMEI numbers, and as you can see, we cannot find the serial number. So the second option, which will require entering the settings, will also provide you with the serial number. So let me tap on OK and let me show you the another way. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here let's tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number of this device, which weren't available whilst using the secret code. And here, if you want to check the IMEI also, just tap on IMEI information. And here we've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.